Today, you're going to learn how to fix WhatsApp Web not working in 2026 if WhatsApp Web is not loading, not connecting to your phone, stuck on the QR code, or not syncing messages. Don't worry. You don't need to be a tech expert to fix it in this video. You'll learn two of the most effective solutions that solve most WhatsApp Web problems, and we're going to go step by step so you can follow along easily. So let's start with the first solution, which is properly reconnecting your phone and making sure your internet connection is stable. This is the most common reason why WhatsApp Web stops working, because WhatsApp Web depends completely on your phone being connected and synced in real time. If your phone loses connection or the session becomes unstable, the web version will stop working. So here's exactly what you need to do first. Take your phone and open WhatsApp now. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Linked Devices. Here you'll see all the devices currently connected to your account. Now take a moment to review this list. If you see old sessions or devices you're not using anymore, remove them. This helps avoid connection conflicts. Now tap on Link a Device. Your phone will open the camera to scan a QR code. Now go to your computer, open WhatsApp Web in your browser. If the page doesn't load correctly, refresh it or open it in a new tab once the QR code appears. Scan it with your phone. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable internet network if possible. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Also, keep your phone unlocked while scanning and connecting after scanning. Wait a few seconds. Your chat should start loading automatically. If they don't load, try switching your internet connection. For example, if you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. Or the other way around. This helps fix network-related issues. Also, make sure your phone is not in battery saver mode, because that can limit background activity and interrupt the connection. Now, if this still doesn't solve the problem, let's move to the second solution. The second solution is clearing your browser cache and fixing browser-related issues. Sometimes WhatsApp Web doesn't work because your browser stores corrupted or outdated data, and this can block the page from loading correctly. So here's how to fix it. Step by step, open your browser settings. Look for the section called Privacy, History, or Security. Now find the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files. You can also select cookies if you want a deeper reset. Now clear the data completely. Once that's done, close your browser entirely. Make sure it's not running in the background, then open it again. Go back and open WhatsApp Web. You should see a fresh QR code on the screen. Now repeat the connection process. Scan the code with your phone. Wait a few seconds for everything to sync in most cases. This fixes loading and syncing problems immediately. If you still have issues, try using a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Edge or another browser. This helps rule out browser compatibility issues. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Now, before finishing, here are a few important tips to prevent this problem in the future. Always keep your phone connected to the internet when using WhatsApp Web. Avoid letting your phone battery die while connected. Keep the app updated on your phone and try not to connect too many devices at the same time, because that can sometimes cause sync issues. After applying these two solutions step by step, WhatsApp Web should load and work normally again. And that's how you can fix WhatsApp Web not working in 2026, using two simple but very effective methods.